I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Square Reader is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This section allows you to add or manage your payment options. Step 4. Add a new card. Tap on Add Card and enter the required credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can lead to errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the card details, make sure to tap Save to confirm the addition of the card. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding your credit card to the Square Reader. If you run into any issues, double check the card details for accuracy. Happy selling!